Welcome back to our Generative AI series. Today, we are exploring a fascinating area of artificial intelligence, audio understanding. Specifically, we will dive into OpenAI's Whisper model and how modern technology converts spoken words into text with incredible accuracy. First, let's define the core technology. ASR stands for Automatic Speech Recognition. Put simply, it is the bridge between human speech and computer understanding. It takes audio waveforms, the sounds we make when we speak, processes them, and outputs usable written text data. You might wonder, why has this been so difficult for computers? Three main reasons. First, noise quality. Background sounds and bad microphones confuse the system. Second, accents and dialects. Everyone speaks differently. And third, homophones. Words like to, and to sound identical but mean very different things. This is where Whisper changes the game. Whisper is a general-purpose speech recognition model developed by OpenAI. Unlike older models, it was trained on a massive dataset of 680,000 hours of diverse audio from the web. It is open source, meaning developers can use it freely. At its heart, Whisper uses a transformer architecture. It works in a sequence. The audio is converted into a visual representation called a spectrogram. An encoder processes these features, and a decoder predicts the text token by token, ensuring the output makes grammatical sense. One of Whisper's strongest features is its multilingual ability. It can perform many-to-one translation, meaning it can listen to a language like French and output English text directly. It also supports standard transcription for 99 different languages. Because it was trained on real-world data from the internet, Whisper is incredibly robust. It handles background music, fast speech, and technical jargon much better than traditional models trained on clean, studio-quality audio. Its performance often approaches human-level accuracy in English. How is this used today? It powers automatic subtitling for content creators, making videos accessible. It drives smarter voice assistants in our homes, and it is revolutionizing transcription services for doctors and lawyers, automating hours of manual work. It is not perfect, however. Whisper can sometimes hallucinate, inventing phrases during long periods of silence. It is also computationally expensive, requiring powerful hardware to run quickly. And for languages with less training data, the accuracy is lower than it is for English. In summary, Whisper represents a massive step forward in audio AI. By leveraging massive datasets and open-source accessibility, it has set a new standard for how machines listen to and understand us. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.